Hey everybody, welcome to the workshop. On today's episode, we're going to do something that is really important to do right after you buy a new house. And that is changing out the locks and the deadbolts on all the exterior doors. Now, I was lucky and I got to actually meet the sellers of this house when I was doing the walkthroughs and things like that. It's kind of unusual, but it happened. And the people who sold me this house are some really, really good people. I like them a lot. However, still, it's always a really good idea to change out your locks after you buy a new house because, let's face it, you don't know who may have a key to your house. So, today's job, changing out the door lever and the deadbolt. Today on Adam's Workshop. All right, first step, we're going to take out the deadbolt. So we're going to open up our door. In this case, we've got two Phillips head screws, so we have to switch it to the lock position, and now we just remove those two Phillips head screws. Now, it just comes out in two pieces. We just slide this piece off and this piece off. That's all there is to it. The little bar just slides into the other section, and then there you go. That's how the two pieces actually come together. Now, we just need to take the two Phillips head screws out of here to remove the bolt. Okay, now we're ready to install the new hardware. Now, on the bolt here, we've got an indicator that says top. So when we put it in here, we need to put it in this direction. If we turn it over, the little rod goes through here, and the holes will not line up, so you won't be able to bolt it together. The thing will be sitting too low. So we make sure we have it with top facing up. This particular style also has the ability here to be rotated like so. So that way, if for some reason you have a doorway that is thicker, then this will also accommodate that. Mine is not. Mine is a standard door, so I'm going to go with this. So now, let's install this. For sake of time, I'm going to use a DeWalt. All right, next is to install the deadbolt itself. The bar is going to go through the slot here. The screws are going to go through those slots. Excellent. Okay, next step is going to be installing the new handle into the door. Now, if we notice, the handle is facing this direction, but the plunger here is on the wrong side. This is very simple to change out. All we're going to do is pull this apart, take it, flip it over, reinstall it, and now it's facing in the correct direction. So now that we've got our hardware going in the right direction, now, same process, we're just going to take out this screw. We'll have to hold the handle down And then take out this screw right here as well. And there's that one taken apart. All right, we've got that cleaned up. So now, just like the deadbolt, we undo these two screws right here to get the rest of it out. There we go. Now we're going to take our new one, take it apart, and install the new one. And while I'm at it, I'm going to install the new hardware to go along with it. All right, now we're going to install the door handle. Locking sides going to the outside, making sure the handle is going in the right direction. Now for this part, it does make it a little easier if you have somebody to help you, which I do not. So I just have to do the best that I can. All right, everybody, the project is complete. As you can see, I was having a little bit of trouble. The project would be a whole lot easier to do if I had somebody else to help me to hold it in on one side and hold the door steady while I screw it in on the other side. But as you can see, the project is pretty simple because it's pretty much just two screws that hold the two pieces together, two more screws to hold the little bolt that goes in there, and that's pretty much it. So it's a pretty simple project. So I hope you found value in this. If you did, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all again next time in the workshop.